Integrals involving powers of sine and cosine can be categorized into three cases. Case 1 is when the sine power is odd. Here's an example of this case. Notice that sine x is raised to the third power, which is odd. To make things easier, I've written down 3 steps that we can follow, and we'll go through these steps one by one as we walk through this example. We're going to integrate sine cubed of x times cosine squared of x dx. Step 1 is to pull off one sine x and group it with dx. Let's do that. If we pull off one sine x, we're going to have a sine squared left, so we have sine squared x times cosine squared x, and then the sine x that we pulled off, we're going to group with dx. The reason that we're doing this is because notice that this leaves us with an even power of sine, and we can convert that to cosine using this trigonometric identity that I put up here on the right, and then we have sine x dx, which is the derivative. Let's see how this works. Step 2 is, just like I said, we're going to use the identity sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x to rewrite the remaining powers of sine x in terms of cosine x. We'll write down step 2, and instead of sine squared x, we're going to put in 1 minus cosine squared x, and then we still have cosine squared x, and then our sine x dx. Let's go ahead and multiply this through. This gives us cosine squared x minus cosine to the 4th x, all times sine x dx. Let's look back up to our steps and look at our third step. In this step, we are going to let u equal cosine x, and we'll integrate using u-substitution. We have u is equal to cosine x, and just like we talked about, our du is equal to minus sine x dx, and we have that right in our integrand. We'll have to watch out for the negative here. We have u squared minus u to the 4th, and then we have a minus du. Let's go ahead and let's rewrite this and get rid of that negative. This gives us u to the 4th minus u squared du. Now we just go ahead and let's integrate. This is u to the 5th over 5 minus u cubed over 3 plus our arbitrary constant. Now all we have to do is plug back in, and u, let's see if we can find it up here. U is equal to cosine x. So this gives us 1/5 cosine to the 5th x minus 1/3 cosine cubed x plus c. I like bringing those constants out. I just think it makes the answer nicer. And there's our final answer. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.